Hello and welcome back to Over the Hill Yackers. Today we're embarking on a delightful journey through the world of community gardening. Join us as we explore these vibrant havens of greenery, learning about the joys and benefits of community gardening along the way. Community gardens are more than just plots of land where people grow plants. They're places where communities come together, friendships bloom, and nature thrives in the heart of our cities and towns. Each of these gardens has its own unique story. They provide fresh produce, create green spaces in urban areas, and offer a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Interview with a community gardener. I love coming here to tend my plot. It's not just about the vegetables and flowers, but also the sense of community and connection to nature. Community gardens can be a fantastic way for people of all ages to learn about gardening. From planting seeds to harvesting, there's always something new to learn and share. Look at this wonderful group. Gardens like these foster teamwork and collaboration, as everyone pitches in to maintain the shared spaces. And it's not just about gardening. These communal areas provide a space for social gatherings, workshops, and educational programs. If you're inspired to join or start a community garden, there are many resources available. Local gardening clubs, community centers, and online platforms can offer valuable guidance. As we wrap up our tour, it's clear that community gardens are more than just spaces for growing plants. They're nurturing grounds for community spirit, environmental stewardship, and personal well-being. Thank you for joining us on this green adventure. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting, we hope this glimpse into community gardens has inspired you. Remember, it's never too late to plant a seed and watch it grow. Until next time, keep nurturing your green thumb and your community spirit. Subscribe and follow for more content.